Cincinnati. Roland combined to hit 11 home runs. He hit only 11 in 2008 and only 8 in 07 with the Cardinals. Here's Jay Bruce. And Bruce takes down and in. Slider. And it's 1-0. Last time he had this many homers, 22 back in 06 with St. Louis. Wind up the 1-0. And a swing and a ground ball up the middle. Diving stop, Jimmy. Gets up, throws to first. Dug out by Howard, and he's out at first. What a sensational play by Jimmy Rollins. First base coach Billy Hatcher just staring out there. Can't believe that play. Neither could Bruce. What a play by J-Roll. That was a hard hit smash that Rollins with full extension gloves it. His glove is basically behind the second base bag and on the outfield grass when he gets up and throws. Here's Drew Stubbs. And Kendrick's pitch to Stubbs is in for a called strike. No disrespect to Wilson Valdez or Juan Castro, but that is something that Phil's grown accustomed to over the years and certainly missed while Jimmy was on the DL. Slow 1-1 to count. Something the pitcher is absolutely ecstatic about. The pitch, and it's off the plate outside. Having do that shortstop spot. And you're right, nothing against Valdez or Castro. Valdez ended up with most of the playing time with J-Roll out and did a really good job at short, but again, he is not Jim Rollins. 2-up, swinging a foul ball back this way. Larry, you can make the play. Go in front of the booth of Assistant General Manager Scott Prothrock. He absolutely will not look this direction. He did. He's not going to give up his ice cream. He did have the windows closed, which is kind of hard to open those at the last second. Here's the 2-2. Stubbs a swing and a miss, struck him out. Good fastball there, Kendrick. Fourth strikeout for Kyle. 2 down, and it'll bring on Ramon Hernandez. Well, voting is now open for the 2010 All-Star Game in Anaheim. Help send your favorite Phillies to this year's All-Star Game by voting up to 25 times at Phillies.com. Visit Phillies.com and cast your ballot now for your 2010 All-Stars. Vote early, vote often. Well, you're done voting early. You have until Thursday, I do believe, to complete your All-Star voting. But vote today.